guys, it's Black China Bear. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Cubbies, it's Black China Bear. It's me, girl. It's me. I was reached out to by Sassina Hair. They wanted me to review the clip-ins. I was like, I didn't got no hair. I do got some hair, just like a little, ooh, a little, ooh. A little skosh. I have a little skosh of hair. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make fetch happen. We're gonna do this. So I wanted to see if I can do clip-ins on short hair. So I have a little technique we're gonna try. And you guys know I wanted to do a look where I have like a shaved side. Well, I'm not gonna be shaving my hair. I'm gonna be slicking part of my hair down. But I wanted to have like a shaved side look with hair everywhere. So I'm gonna attempt that today. Did go ahead and attempt to put a clip in on this, and it does work. If you got a short fro like I do, like this little TWA from your big chop, honey, a clip in does work. And guys, my hair is moisturized, okay, honey. I put oil, grease, leave-in conditioner. I did a co-wash in my hair this morning. I want to make sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized before I put anything in my hair. But yeah, we're gonna be using a fishnet cap as well, just to be on the safe side. I requested 2 bundles because I want my hair to be full. I do believe you need 2 bundles to have a full head of hair. I have the Sassina Top 8A grade Remy Brazilian Jerry Curl clip-in human hair extension. So I requested a 16-inch and a 20-inch bundle. Packaging is always so cute. So you get like your little thank you card, the info on the back. And then they always send you some banging lashes. Like, they don't send you those little cheap generic lashes. They send you some bomb, like, faux mink lashes. And then you get your hair in like this little resealable bag. It's like after you take them out, you can put them back in here and store them in there. They also send you a comb. And then they always send you some extra clips. And they did the same in each package. So I'm like, thank you. So now I got 2 pair of extra lashes. Y'all know I love my lashes, okay? If you want to know about my makeup, I did do an Instagram live video for this look today. Hopefully this video will be up today. It might not be, but I did do a video for this makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 20-inch bundle on the bottom, and then do the 16-inch bundle on top, so that way we have layers, boo-boo. So what we're gonna do is put this cap on first, attach our clip-ins, and then after I attach my clip-ins, I'm gonna cut out the fishnet right here, and then I'll go ahead and slick this part down and proceed with styling the hair. So I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music and like speed through this montage of me doing my hair, and we're gonna see how it turns out.
We were chilling, get out. Stand up, I told you to get out. Didn't need no word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go there. Without you, I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, your truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is it trying get out. Little word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would come back. I tried not hurt, and I got more, please let it just work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You the way you know, the way you wish you would stay. All you have to do is say that it's alright. Without you, I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is I tried and I cried and I played and I hurt? Is I put in mine and worked overtime and you never put in your work? And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked